Okay, so I'm gonna try something new with a cold start, and what I'm gonna do is I've got a camera out behind the truck, which is gonna be pictured probably on this side or this side. I don't know, whatever side looks better. And because somebody wanted to see how I do it inside the cab on a cold start, and then that guy's got the outside of the cab 70 on my cold start. So. Actually, there we go. I'll do my sync point. Whatever. I give it about 5 or 6 different cycles with the glow plugs to try to get it to warm it up properly. Is what I try to do. Usually, I don't always get around to that, but. Like I said, I try to do about 4 or 5 different cycles with the glow plugs. Make sure it's in neutral. I mean, it doesn't matter. You have with a 5-speed, you have to have the clutch pushed in anyway, but still. Actually, I'm gonna give it one more cycle, and then I don't know, I've got it, it's in neutral. We're fine. Alright. See if this dirty bitch will start. Let's give it another cycle. Let's give it another 3 cycles. Twice. 1, 2, almost 2. 3, and where this light goes off, then I'm gonna hit it again. I don't think I'm gonna get a cold out of her today. It's like 30 fucking degrees. I don't think we get too much out of a cold start today. I've seen like semis and shit get better cold starts than this one does. I don't know, something's bad. I don't know, fucking glow plugs or harness is bad, but I'll dig into it later and figure it out. It's almost summertime, so I won't have to worry too much about it anymore. first thing I'm gonna do is maybe I might get a cold start today. She just shot a fucking smoke ring. I might be able to get a cold start. Up. Up. Maybe. Maybe. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. You're so close. Damn it. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. Please. Please? Come on, baby. You know you want to. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on. God damn it. One more cycle and maybe I can get something going. I'm going to buy a new fucking starter. Jesus. Come on. I can tell you want to. Like, come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. You cunt. Come on. God damn it. Ah! Shit! Alright. Woo! Alright. What do I get at grinding? What do I get? Okay. There we go.